And think of Noah.
Doodler! We don't have Doodler.
Hey Noah.
Yeah.
So we're moving and I know there's one person that you're really gonna miss.
Millie.
Who's Millie?
You know who she is.
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
So I was thinking maybe it would be really special if we could make her something.
Okay.
Would you maybe like to use the Design Doodler and make a special design for her?
Yes, please.
Maybe we could put it on a shirt?
Sure.
All right, what do you say we go to Walmart and go get a shirt?
Sure. This one's plain.
Oh, I do like that. You like that?
Yeah.
Okay, look what size it is. 7/8.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay, now give me a thumbs up. Okay, so now that we got Millie her special sweater, we're going to make something special on the Doodler. What are you thinking you're gonna make for her?
If you guys know that movie Halloween Before Christmas and Frankenweenie, I'm gonna do me with Millie and I'm Jack and she's the...
Like the Princess Bride?
Yeah.
Or Zombie Bride?
Yeah. I'm basically just gonna be like a skeleton. Those are the X's. I forget how to draw the body.
Is that for the dog?
Yeah, Frankenweenie. There's his nose.
Oh, that's good.
There Millie is. I'm not green. I'm white. If you know Zero from the movie, that's who I'm gonna be holding.
Oh. So Noah, do you like using the Design Doodler?
Yes.
What's your favorite part?
Coloring.
Coloring? Do you find it super easy to use?
Yes. But not with the pen.
You like doing it with your fingers better?
Yes. I'm just gonna go to red and then color in Zero's nose. And there.
I love it. Do you want to put like a heart or something? We put it right there. And then it's
Yeah.
like you guys are like zombie love. Remember, if you go to the shapes, you can add a heart really easily.
Oh, yeah. A big?
Awesome. So everything is black and white except for the hearts.
Yes.
Ooh, look at that hair. Perfect. Okay, now save. Look. Perfect. Nice job. You want to put this on a sweater now?
Yes.
Okay, now can you go and press that green button there, please?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
He's going super fast.
Yeah.
The dog's name is Frankenweenie. And then the next dog is named Zero.
All right, should we take it off?
Yes. Take it off. Bam.
Oh my goodness, she's gonna love it. You know what, you're all done Millie's sweater. What do you think? Did it turn out nice?
Yes.
What do you think? Do you think she's gonna give you a kiss on the cheek?
No.
What?
Gotcha.
All right, well, let's see what she thinks. We'll give it to her as a gift?
Yeah.
Okay.
But on her birthday. We're moving soon, so I wanted to get you something, Millie.
Okay, now tell her what it is.
I used the doodler to make you something. You as the zombie from The Nightmare Before Christmas, and me as Jack.
With a whole bunch of
And
hearts.
that's Frankenweenie, and that's Zero.
Now you can wear it and think of Noah.
Doodler! We don't have Doodler.
Okay, do you want to give her a hug? Do you want to give her a hug?
Card. Gotcha.
Aw, nice.
Don't leave me.
What's she saying?
Don't leave me.
Aww.
Do you want to wear it?
Millie has purple day tomorrow too. You can
Perfect.
wear it for purple day. Oh.
Wait, let me see it.
All right, let's see you guys. Aw. Wow, guys, that looks awesome. Okay, let's do thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to download the free Design Doodler demo following the link below. It's great for all ages and the perfect way to make something special for someone you care about.